Hi there, guys. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about a topic which is very very pertinent, and it actually is important because people are on this in the social media world today, and there are a lot of people who do not really know how to get followers and how to grow in the social media space, especially those people who are 50, 55 plus in age, and who are senior citizen. And even though they really want to get into the social media world, but they do not really know how to get in and what to do, and they soon lose interest and they leave and they quit. So I wanted to give a sense of, what are the guidelines for beginners in the social media space. So before we hit the road, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos, and let's begin. Let me share my slides. There you go. So as you know, so social media is like this. It's on a blank canvas. Somebody has painted with multiple colors, with multiple logos, and with multiple platforms, and it's almost like a chaos in the social media space with so many platforms available for people to consume. But not every social media is for everybody. So you need to understand what is the objective of every particular platform and how you can use and utilize those platforms for your own benefit. And if you're trying to do it for business, so how can you do it for your business, company, or brand? So the first point that I would like to talk about is, because there are so many platforms. As a beginner, you must concentrate on two or three of them, ideally two. Focus on just two of them, because you must understand that we've got so many things to do in a day, and it's not really possible for someone to manage so many channels in a day, every day. And unless you really give love, you don't get love back. So it's give and take policy. So you need to really concentrate on ones which you're familiar with, or may have used it, or seen people around you use it. You need to create those engaging content in that, and you can potentially do that. So you stick to those familiar platforms, and you must know who your audience is. Who's is it just your friends, or somebody else? So you must be very very particular about who your audience is and very clear about it as well. The second point is that why will they follow you? So typically, people follow somebody on social media for two reasons. One is if they're looking for entertainment, so you're creating entertaining content and they will follow you, or they have a question and they want an answer to that question. So they're looking for knowledge, and you are the one who's going to provide that knowledge. So those are two typical reasons why people follow broadly. So you need to really have a hook as to why people will really follow. What is it that you're offering to them? So you must be very, very clear on that. So I did a tutorial on how to get followers on Twitter. I will link it up on the card. Please take a look at it as well. You need also to understand: are you on the B2C space or the B2B space? So who's your target? Are you looking at the consumers, or are you looking at the businesses, or are you just looking at your near and dear friends and you're doing it just for fun? Are you looking? The other question is: are you really looking to monetize your social media platform? Well, these are the questions that you need to answer before or when you start off on social media. A fourth point is something I spoke a little while ago, is why should I follow you? So you need to have the hook, compelling reason why I should follow you. So there are four questions. So you need to answer very, very clearly, and that needs to be up there on the profile. So they are, what do you do? Why do you do? How can you help me? And who are you? So for example, if someone has to ask me that question, so what do I do? So I'm a consultant and a trainer. And why do I do that? I do it because I've been doing that for the past 20 years or more. So I've been consulting clients, customers, and people, and I know a bit of that, so I can do that. So I know what I'm talking about. So and if you are in, if you have a question, I can help you. I can certainly help you. If your business has a challenge, I can find solutions to those challenges. So that's why I can help you. And if you're looking at my profile, please, I will link my LinkedIn profile, and then you can take a look at it, see what I've done, look at the awards, look at the work that I've done for my clients, and that's what you need. That needs to be there on the profile page, out loud, so that people know who you are and what you do and what you can do and how you can help. So they're very, very critical. Next point, if you're in B2B, know your competition. Go and follow them. Go and start them. Sign up to their newsletters and all that journals and ebooks that they have. Identify their goods and the bads. What are they doing right or what are they doing wrong? And learn from there. Improve on it. Very, very critical point. Next point. There are many tools in the social media, tools that you can use for social media. One of the most critical tool is scheduling tool, because you're potentially going to use multiple platforms, social media platforms. So scheduling is very important. So you should look at, there are some free tools, which is Hootsuite, you can use the free option. There is a paid version as well. Buffer, later. Look at keywords on Google Ads, AdWords. Look at those keywords so that you know what people are searching for. And you must remember, Google loves quality backlinks. So when the moment you have people coming in onto your social media platforms from quality backlinks, then obviously your social media platform gets higher ranking on Google search. So that's very, very important. 7th point, always be responsive on comments. You must reply to those genuine comments so that you can engage with the audience. You must tag those people as well. And never automate comments, because that means that it's a fake comment. And today's algorithm on social media algorithms are very smart. They can very easily identify fake comments. So never do that. And the last point, which is probably something which you wouldn't do as a beginner, is how to map the follower's journey. So there's a concept called knowing your customer. So how customers would know you, how they would like you, and when will they trust you. So I will do a full video on that later. So that's a very critical point which you must also be mindful of. Probably not like I said, at the beginning of your journey, but at a later point in time. So those were the 8 points that I wanted to show you for as beginners on social media which you should follow. So as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will put the URL to my LinkedIn in the description below. Please connect with me. Also sign up for my tutorial. Link to that also will be there in the description below. As you know, I work with many clients looking to solve their challenges, business challenges, and marketing challenges, and technological challenges. If you want to engage me, please check yes on that third field of the subscription form, and I shall reply to you, and we should probably have a chat. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my YouTube videos, and I shall see you very soon with another informative video. So take care, and bye-bye, guys.